Hello, these short videos were created to introduce Columbus functionality that are enhancements built seamlessly into the Microsoft Dynamics NAV solution. Using simple examples, we'll highlight key Columbus functionality that's being used by the process industry today. For many years, Columbus has worked with various types of processors and their product lines. Columbus has the solution, experience, and support to meet processors' unique ERP system challenges. This specific video highlights Columbus's key inventory attributes. Let's start by looking at Columbus's dual units of measure and catch weight. Processors may purchase ingredients in pallets, stock inventory in pounds, issue finished goods in cases, and sell finished goods in packages or by the box or rail. Dynamics NAV allows the user to assign multiple units of measure to an inventory item. This gives the user the ability to record transactions for the same item in different units of measure. As a result, all transactions are ultimately recorded on ledgers at only the base unit of measure. With Columbus's dual units of measure, the processor is able to manage the same item in terms of its base unit and its bulk unit quantity, pounds or gallons, for example. The processor can also choose the specific unit of measure to base costing and pricing value postings. Processors can define if the item is catch weight or not. Catch weight allows for a greater degree of detail in that the user can record the exact alternate quantity amount for a particular transaction. If a check mark has been placed in the catch alternate quantities field, the user can indicate a percentage that will be used by the system to calculate an acceptable range of values when an alternate quantity is entered on a transaction lines. This maintains data integrity. Let's consider items and lots and the important attributes each lot can have that makes one lot unique to another, even for the same item. As we know in process manufacturing, an item's attribute plays a critical role in various processes, including inventory and vendor-customer management, production, product quality, and costing. Columbus properly manages and supports item attributes for ingredients, intermediates, and finished product types. Variation in attributes for a single item lot can be chemical, quality control elements, or key dates, for example. In addition to base inventory rotation methods, FIFO or FIFO, for example, Columbus maintains and supports expiration dates and quarantine dates. These also can be defined as strict, which can help maintain inventory integrity. Columbus gives the processor the needed visibility and functionality to the item lot attributes. One tool, Lot Availability, offers key filtering. Here you can see a filter being set on key lot specifications, which are user-defined and unlimited. Filters allow the processor to isolate the view of their inventory based on what they consider to be important attributes. Columbus's lot status code is another attribute. This attribute both defines the lot and gives the processor the ability to define what transaction that particular lot is available for. Here's more attributes: key aging dates, including best if used by or shelf life, as well as those user-defined key specifications. All of this allows the processor to manage their material's unique variability, helping the processor produce consistent, quality products to their formula's specifications. Processors that produce based on batch runs require tracking and tracing of key materials, regardless of the amount used in formula. In a matter of minutes, Columbus offers full lot tracing, both forwards and backwards, for mark or real product recalls. We will be looking at this particular item lot and then drilling to the item tracing. Filters enable the processor to limit or expand the data range needed, and expanding or collapsing allows for easier to view data by the end user. Item tracing allows for a very quick drill to the actual documents themselves. First, we drill to the actual sales order shipment document. Next, we pull up the production order, which make up the consumption and the output transactions. Finally, here's the purchase order receipt, giving us from who and when the raw material was supplied. Since starting on the finished good item, we were able to trace back to the raw material. but a simple click of trace opposite direction instantly starts the tracing from the raw material side. This is full lot tracing, not only lot numbering, but attributes as well. Columbus gives processors the capability to pass certifications and mock or real recalls quickly. That completes this overview video. We anticipate you may have more questions, and we welcome the chance to discuss further your business needs. Thank you for viewing.